graph x plus 2y equals -4. There's a couple of different ways to graph this. One, you can make a table of values, your xy chart, and plug in values for x or y and solve for the other variable and then graph those points. Or, as I'm going to show you now, you can put this into slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b form. So what we have right now is x, and I'm going to make it 1x plus 2y equals -4. And I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 1x from both sides. And notice I'm putting the x in front of the constant. So I have 2y equals -1x minus 4. And then I'm solving for 1y, so I'm going to have to divide each term by 2. So that gives me y equals -1/2 x minus 2. So I have it in slope-intercept form. So my slope is -1/2. That's the number or the coefficient of x. And my y-intercept, which is always my starting point, is at -2. So I'm going to go ahead and plot the point -2 on the y-axis. That's my y-intercept. And then I'm going to use the concept of the slope, the change in the rise over the change in the run. So the change in the rise is a -1. So from my starting point, I go down 1. And since my denominator is +2, I move to the right 2 spaces. Now I go ahead and connect my points with a line. So graphing x plus 2y equals -4, put it in slope-intercept form, plot your points, and draw your line.